Hey guys, on this video we are going to be frying our plantain. So I've already made the beans, so I'm going to be taking you guys along with the plantain. So over here I have about 6 to 7 pieces of plantain here, so I'm just going in ahead to cut. Yeah, so we have different ways in Africa to slice our plantain. So this is the popular way we know how to slice our plantain. This is the most popular way. So I'm also going to be showing you guys the other way you can also slice your plantain. You can just slice it that way, or you can just go ahead like this.